had a fridge, and it was filled to the brim. He couldn't be bothered to clean it, it just wasn't him. There was a half-eaten sandwich from 2005, and by every account, he should not be alive. Right at the back was an ancient cheese slice, and a huge lump of something that sure didn't look very nice. All of his eggs were so far out of date, they look like something that a chicken from hell would be proud to create. Clear all the junk away, see where the treasures lay. Start today. Nobody went to his home for a meal, for over the porcelain they would undoubtedly kneel. I once saw a bottle of milk from 1629, and a chocolate eclair from the very beginning of time. He was a stubborn old man.
Throw it away.
He was destined for hell.
Throw it away.
He lost all of his friends and his taste buds as well. R.I.P. his sense of smell. And in the end, he was struck by disease.
Call the doctor.
Probably caught from that moldy old cheese.
What happened there?
He wound up in a box with a tightly sealed lid, and then he was kept for a while, chilling out in his own special fridge. Clear all the junk away, see where the treasures lay.